items may have open closed. There are toilets at the bottom of the end of the aircraft. There are all have smoke detectors. Smoking is not allowed at any time. This includes vapes and e-cigarettes. Our cafe and shop range contains a selection of food and drinks that suits all tastes, including variation of meal deals combination that will guarantee you your savings. It also features the selling fragrances, the newest on the trend beauty products and stylists. You can use your contactless device or credits for payments. We accept most major credits and debit cards. To browse our full range, look at our cafe and shop in your seat pockets. Also, we also remind you that on this flight you can buy tobacco.